Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everyone's doing good out there. Today I have these cute and very curious looking powder pens from Born Pretty store. This is item 50220 and this is color number 2. While this is color number 4. I believe there's like 10 or 20 choices. And this is how they come packaged now. This one you could get a hold of with your cuticle tools or scissors and get them out, but they're safety sealed. But you do lose the item number when you take off the packaging. But this is the powder pens. And this is number 2. I'm going to put it over black and white so you can see it's meant to go over a variety of colors. It unscrews, and apparently this is the sponge. And in here, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. Maybe on the other color you'll be able to see a little bit better. The blue powder is way down in there, just like eye makeup, blush, compact. So when you screw it down, it comes into contact with it. And it's a 0.5 gram. And we're just going to play with it and see. Now I have on half and half black gel polish, white gel polish, but it can be regular nail polish. It doesn't matter. It's just that it has a gel top coat on, and I used Born Pretty's top coat. Now this one has cooled off already. Sometimes it works better if it's fresh out of the lamp, so we'll just see if it'll work on this. And I'm barely touching it, because anybody that has a nail stand knows that if you touch it too hard, the nail goes bye-bye. Looks like maybe a little bit fresher out of the lamp would have been good. But you can always give it another coat. And they also talk about using the powder and mix it in with your top coat. I've never tried that one before. It's like a sparkle effect. I think I'm going to give this another top coat and another layer. So fresh out of the lamp seems to be still the key with the powders. So I just take my top coat, get plenty on there, and just touch the top coat to the nail, not the brush, whenever I can, to avoid powders getting into my top coat. Oh boy, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna give this a good cure, just because I'm not sure I'm getting a great shine, but let's just give that color one more chance to really pop. And let me give this a try again. Make sure I have some on my brush. It may just not, this may be one of the colors that doesn't show up as good on the, oh no, it shows up. Just fresh out of the lamp works the best. That's pretty cool. Hopefully I haven't dawdled too long. This is color number 4. I believe it's a gold if I remember right. Yes, it's a gold. Make sure I got enough on my brush, sponge, what do you want to call this? And let's go. I didn't get it fresh out of the lamp, as you can see. Fresh out of the lamp is what works the best, because then you have trouble. Even the good old finger doesn't grab it up. But man, that you can tell that was closest to my lamp because it was hot. I don't know if it's heating it up or if it's fresh out of the lamp. So let me give this a take 2. Give this another try. It kind of springs out at you. It's interesting. I don't have enough on. This This nail stand is just not working for me today. Well, that's no problem. They'll just take the nail stand out of the equation. Nail stand's just not working for me. That's what was going on. Because I'm losing some of it off of this stand. Let's put back in here. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Plenty on it. Such a big nail too. I like doing my own nails. They wouldn't be this. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. I'm not even sure you have to wiggle it. I'm just trying to get it really covered. Let's try without wiggling it. Screw it. Yeah, you just have to screw it. Oh, I was kind of buffing it in already. You kind of place it on there first, I guess. Some of these might be ridges that I had in my top coat because I top coated it a couple days ago. Didn't feel like filming, and then birdies didn't feel like being with me. They didn't want me to leave. Let me get the hang of this. So apparently, you place it on a little bit, and then you rub it in, especially if you got a dent in your top coat. I don't think I got top coat on down here. For some reason, I don't think I could top coat at the very end. It burnishes about the same with the sponge or the finger. The finger, you'll get it all over your finger. But you can feel what you're doing a little bit easier. But they're right, there's no mess down here below me. Usually I have powder all over the place. So that's very intriguing. Pretty cool. I like these for the lack of the mess. And this one, you can't really tell if you use it over black or white. It seems to be a gold hollow. This seems to be my favorite one of the two. I mean, remember the nail was exactly like this? You can't tell. Well, I'm going to give this a top coat, cure it, and take some pictures and show them at the end of the video. Thank you everyone for watching. And if you would like to purchase from the Born Pretty store, remember that code NOI 112 will save you money at the Born Pretty store. And they also have an AliExpress store. So I'll put the link down below in the description box. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Till next time. You be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.